Good morning, everybody. Cold night again last night. I don't know if we have frost. I don't know, probably. It feels really cold. It rained. No, I don't think we got frost. Yeah, we did. Oh, wow, look at that. I thought it was. It's miserably cold again. We're going on into June. I don't know if we're going to get the plant this year. We're just not home enough to take care of it. It's a little bit more frost this time than the other day. You can see it with the camera this time. So I got some deliveries in the Sorry shop, our variety store, yesterday, and I stayed a little later. I should say we, but I have the camera in my hand, and so I didn't get recording or do anything on a Homestead last night because I was so exhausted by the time I got home. But you can go ahead and check out Sorry Shop Michigan on YouTube and see the variety packs that I got of brand new retail items, brand new in the packs. I got 3 large boxes of products for our store, and I did some unboxing videos on that last night. I was anxiously waiting for that for a while, so that's why this video was very brief and a summary of just 2 mornings. But it's cold. Winter coat is still. We're all using our winter coats. It's really upside down this year. Winter is not letting go. The trees, we don't have any trees here to show you, but I wanted to show you the trees. They're not, we don't have any trees. They're all evergreens. The trees are not opening up yet in fully. We don't have anything to show you here. It's all evergreens. But it's a rough year for the plants. So it's just cold. It's just really cold. My fruit trees, a couple of them opened and a couple of them did not. And it really bothers me because they should be bearing fruit in a year or two at this stage, and some of them, the 2 big ones, didn't even open. They didn't even do anything. I'm just hoping they're delayed, but we'll see. Well, I'm gonna get back to the store. This is Saturday, a cold, frosty morning, and the mosquitoes are out. How can that be? The mosquitoes just don't care this year. I've never seen such a thing either, that they're out in the cold like this and in the daylight. Well, off to work. So check out the store. And by the way, DIY Tube video community is really coming along great. So check it out, DIYtube.video. I've been doing a lot of enhancements and updates on there, and the channel is growing and there's a lot of new people. So check it out. And with the state of things, it might be great if you have a channel to back up your videos on there. It's free, so go ahead and do it. Alright guys, see you at the store. Hi everybody, I'm at the store. It's going to be a bit of a crossover today, but this is what I'm doing, and I like to usually show you what I'm doing. I went to the lumber yard and got some plywood, all pre-cut for me, and I got the last 3 boards that I needed here. So I'm going to cut them up. I've got to put cross bracing in the middle of these. There are the supports like this, all the way through the middle, and then I can drop in the plywood shelving, and then I can put my new products on the shelves. So I'm going to finish this up and get the boxes out of here, get my tools out of here, and clean this store up today and finalize it, and then we can start marketing, because we haven't marketed the place yet or really shared it anywhere due to the mess. Let's see, there's boxes everywhere. So we've got to clean this place up. So I'm going to finish this morning. I'll just give you a summary bit by bit as I go along, and then I'll get this video up to you, and that'll be it for the day. Now I do have the unboxing videos on the Sorry Shop Michigan YouTube channel, and also DIY Tube. For those of you who want a troll-free experience, you can go over to DIY Tube and open up an account, or just watch videos and enjoy a peaceful troll-free experience. Alright guys, I'm going to get to it. Okay, all the cross bracing is in. I dropped on my first shelf to see how it looks. They're big. These are 16 inches high and 2 foot by 4 foot shelves. That gives me a lot more space for my money. Now I've got 2 screws in every single joint everywhere, so these are pretty strong. I don't know if I've overbuilt or if that's just right, but I wanted to be sure on these so that I can put some weight on them if I decide to. Oh, by the way, I'll give you a brief glimpse of the products I've got, and the rest I'll leave you to watch over on the Sorry Shop Michigan channel. I got some watches, and these say $9.99 is their suggested price, and it says a $50 value. They're in a really nice collector's tin, Swiss Sport. But I got 4 of them. And then over here I'll show you in the boxes. Now the stuffed animals are on top because Melanie was digging through them, but here's some of the products. I'll give you a brief glimpse what I've got. There's charging cables, there's chargers, fidget toys, phone covers, all kinds of cables, earbuds, cigarette cases, stuffed animals, gloves, pillows, sports water bottles, more electronics, more toys, more electronics, toys and everything, cigarette cases, slime, ashtrays. There's a lot of stuff. We'll be getting these on the shelves, and we'll show you all that on the Sorry store. Alright guys, well, I'm just going to drop these shelves in, and that'll be it for today on that. Everything else will be done on the other channel. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and watch our daily videos on the off-grid homestead, which is normally what we're doing.